Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will see a short paragraph named is Making an Omelette for All. Okay, let us start. Egg omelette is one of my most favorite food items. I would love to eat that very often. Today I will tell you how to make an omelette. It is one of the easiest things to do in the kitchen and you can prepare some good food effortlessly. So let's learn how to make an omelette. You need some salts, onions, 2 chilies, oil and a pan where you have to fry it. Let's talk about the steps. First of all, you have to break the egg on a little cup and you have to mix some salt, onion and chilies into them. Before that, you have to cut the chilies and onions properly. If you want, you can add some water. If you are making 2 or 3 egg omelets together, turn on your stove and place a clean frying pan there. Put some oil or butter there that you prefer. Wait a bit for the frying pan to become heated enough. When the pan is ready, pour the mixture and wait until the downside get well fried. And then take the upside down and wait for that to become well fried when both sides are fried. Then your omelette is ready. See, it's very easy to make an omelette. If you think it's useful, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.